Down here, we've been working hard to create a model of Earth, unlike any other. Each Earth model is finely molded and then hand-painted to showcase accurate and beautiful details of our world's surface.
We created an app where you can learn all about our planet with augmented visualizations from a range of global topics. You can use your voice to ask questions about our planet that will be answered and displayed in front of you.
You can see how animals have migrated over time, weather systems from decades past, Mother Nature growing up and falling down, vegetation spreading across continents, meteors impacting our surface eons ago. There's so much to learn and explore right here in your hands.
This is Luna, the finest model of the moon ever designed. And an endless stream of intelligence to engage with and study. Using information from NASA, we have filled our Luna app with captivating facts, trivia, and stories from the moon. Some are from the moon you know, most are from the moon you don't know. The creation of the lunar moon model begins with the latest in 3D printing technology. Each model is built to 0.006 millimeters per pixel in precision, a detailed sculpture that is unparalleled in craft. We hand paint each model with exacting design, resulting in a finished moon that you can call your own. We created our lunar moon model to inspire and motivate you to discover the moon for yourself. Experience the moon like never before. Your own lunar moon is waiting.